Okay? Hannah? Not able to sneeze? Oh, I know that feeling. Oh, the sneeze just won't come out. Yeah, I know. Told you not to smell the cat's backside. Every time after you smell the cat backside, that's what happened to you. Huh? Hello, baby. It's Abby backside that Hannah sniffed and ended up